Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher silverware basket holder. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new silverware basket holder. The silverware basket holder is where you mount the silverware basket on the lower rack. The minute you should be changing it out so it's lost or damaged and you can't mount the silverware basket on the rack. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the silverware basket. The holders are on each end. In order to change them out, we have to take the silverware basket out. So we're just going to lift it out and set it aside. In order to change out the holder, we have to pull the lower rack out a little bit. It's just held in by a couple locking tabs right here. So we're just going to press towards the center of the dishwasher to release it. Then drop it down and pull it off. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old silverware basket holder next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the new holder on, you just want to line it up with the rail right here and hook this on the bottom and then slide it over and snap it on. Once you have it on, you can push the lower dish rack back in and we can put the silverware basket back on. All you have to do is set the silverware basket on the holders and we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.